What's up, you guys? It's Nisi Always Groovy here again with another video. I'm going to be doing a video today with my sister Sunday and my best friend Tasha. We're going to see who knows Nisi the best, since they always say, "That's my sister and that's my friend." We're going to challenge it out today. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? I have my sister Sunday and my bestie Tasha, and they're here for a challenge. Say hey.
Hi.
And what's your name?
Rick.
No, you Tasha.
I'm Tasha.
Yeah, and what's your name?
You Tasha.
Skylar.
No.
Bruh.
What's up, y'all? I am back with my sister Sunday and my BFF Tasha. Say okay. So we just gonna enjoy. This is gonna be a video about just chatting it up with each other, seeing who know who's the best. Because, well, not the best, but see if they know me better. Because Sunday is my sister. She know everything. She's my BFF. She knows everything. So we're going to see who been lying about they knowing everything. So I gave them some papers before we start with
True or false?
yeah, we're gonna do the true or false one to see if they know me. So if it's true, y'all hold up the true. If it's false, they gotta hold up the false. They can. Dang, who look in my mouth? must be
the people.
Must be the producer.
True.
So we're gonna get this going. It's just a friendly game, and then Tasha said she had questions. Is it for everybody or just for like what?
Yeah, well, producer, can you hand me the phone? Just put it right there.
I'm gonna introduce y'all to my producer. She's an awesome producer. Awesome. So to get the game started with the true and false question. First question. This is for them. True or false? I have a degree in criminal justice. True or false? True. That is right. Okay. Second question. True or false? Nisi, well, I say Nisi, but me, I'm Nisi, is friendly. So I'm not friendly? What the world? Wow, now that is funny.
Only with people churn.
Yep, I love kids. It's the adults I don't like. Okay, I enjoy skating. Okay, this is a good one. They both know me. They both know me. Okay, I hate purple onions. Okay, false and false, because I love purple onions. Oh, man. This is tough. Now, wowzer. Okay. I prefer white wine over red wine.
This a white over thing?
Mm-hmm. Okay, they cheating.
No, it ain't.
I do prefer white over red. I hate red wine. I hate the bitterness.
I can't even see what Tasha picking up.
Okay. So, Daddy Black. who's also known as Kevin. Ooh, who actually walked me down the aisle. I'll also call him Pops. They don't know this one. Don't try to wait around to pick her up. Do I call him Pops? Oh, yeah, I don't call him Pops. Who I call Pops?
Daryl.
Yeah, okay, talking. Don't do that.
Call Black Daddy Black.
Okay, true or false? I love to dance.
So what? Depends.
Just do I dance? You be trying to
I'm away.
I do love to dance. I don't know how to dance, but I would drop to the beat.
That was you need to do our dance off.
What? When? Not today. You on heels. Okay. True or false? My favorite rapper is Rick Ross.
I must be.
Yeah, you play too much now. How you?
My favorite rapper is Rick Ross. Don't worry, she trying to wait.
Yeah, I was
It's Kevin Gates, but you like Rick Ross.
But who's my favorite rapper?
Not Rick Ross.
false.
Oh yeah. I try to trick him. I like Rick Ross, but Kevin Gates is my favorite rapper. Anybody who say something about Kevin Gates, come see me. Come see me. It's good.
I was about to say that because y'all gonna steal the food.
I'm eating my fries.
They trying to act
She
cute.
try. Okay. True or false? I spray paint my first car. I spray paint my first car. I spray paint my first car. Yeah, it is true. Look at Tasha. Tasha, you was around?
I mean, you tell me that around, but you tell that story at the thing.
That was funny. Okay, this is the last true or false question. I was catfished before. Before the show Catfish, I have been catfished before. True or false?
I don't remember that one.
Oh, Rhonda got it. Rhonda got all of them right. And she just guessed.
Duh. I think I remember you saying that story before.
Oh,
Nah,
yes.
I don't know that story.
No, that's a long time ago when, like, years, when I was working to Reeves Brothers.
But you still supposed to hear that story.
We never talk about it. I'll tell you later. Ooh, it was catfish. So yeah, it do seem like they both know me good. That is amazing. These are my ride or dies. See, they even came to do a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel? Do you have any friends that would pull up for a YouTube channel?
She got her one and only BFF.
I'm glad you know. I was waiting. I was ready.
Wait.
What's the wink about?
What the wink about? The wink.
Whatever y'all be talking about.
Who?
You said something to talk about.
That must be for her and Monique.
Whatever. Oh.
Wink. No, I'm being funny. No beef today. These two, they fight over me. So that's why this YouTube is the no. So Rhonda is one up. She got all of them right.
Thumbs
So,
out.
Tasha, you said you had questions?
Yeah. I do have 5 questions.
In your phone? You
Right.
came prepared.
Yeah. I tell you, I was ready for this channel. So, my first question. Look at I'm loud.
She wants y'all to see.
Oh, damn it, she's done. She quit. Somebody's been hungry. Okay. Our first question for everybody, I guess. First, I'll answer. Then I guess you then, Rhonda.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel about plastic surgery? That's not a good question.
That's a good question. How do you feel?
I want some lipo.
Why?
I want some
You
lipo.
small in the waist.
I want some lipo.
In your waist or your back?
Yeah, in my back. I also want my breasts smaller.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so
But your breasts fit you.
Yeah, but
You have a proportion. She's like heavy, small, heavy. Me, heavy, tight. So why would you want it?
So basically, I would want it. They may feel that it's nothing wrong, but to me, I feel like that. And I feel like plastic surgery, whatever that for you, is for yourself, not for other people.
Right.
If you like it, then do it. And
Right.
I want some lipo.
Well, I don't have an issue with plastic surgery. I feel if you can afford it, get it. If it make you happy, do it. Like she said, it's for you, nobody else. But for me, I'm very confident with myself. If I would do lipo, it would be within my mid area. And I thought about a breast reduction before, but I be playing when I say that. I'm happy with my twins. I name them. Can't tell you the name, but they're twins. So for me, if push come to shove, it probably would be lipo, cause I'm happy with my cakes. What about you, Sunday?
I'm gonna mess on that in my tooth. I don't care. If you got the money, spend it. But yeah, I'd rather get my stomach done. Because I want to wear all-in-one without looking 7 months pregnant.
You got 7 months? Wow.
Shit, sometimes.
Show the people.
But yeah,
That's a big
Get
stomach.
get it for yourself. But always remember, love yourself. You don't need no man, nobody else. Love yourself first. If you have to get up every morning, look yourself in the mirror and say, I love myself. You do that.
Yep.
Because lipo don't matter. God bless me with this. If I have to walk around with this 7 month stomach, I will. I don't care. But don't come ask me if I'm pregnant. Say me stop. I don't care.
It don't stop nothing, do it.
Nope, it don't stop nothing.
That burger was sloppy.
Mine was great.
What's the next question, Tasha?
Yeah.
And we'll start from Rhonda. Well, we'll start from you, Ronnie, this time.
You got too big.
I'll start back to Rhonda, whichever one. What does love look like to you?
You asked the wrong player. Say me stop. Love.
What does love look like to you, baby?
What love look like to me? I guess when you're in your happy place, like I said, you gotta love yourself. It ain't gotta be with a man to be in love. You be in love with yourself. And always follow your heart. Don't let nobody get in it, use you and abuse you. And what else? That's just, yeah. Love to me.
That was good.
Love is a 4-letter
You
word.
scared me. I thought
Love is a 4-letter word. If you say it, you got to mean it. And show it. Not just say it. Now I'm finished, Nisa.
love to me is a beautiful thing. As y'all know, I just got married. No, but love is good communication. You have to understand each other, listen to each other, You can't let no one come in between y'all. And love do start with self, because if you don't love yourself, how can you love somebody else?
How can you?
So yeah, but once you get to that place of loving yourself, and then getting somebody on your team who love you as much as they love themselves, that's a beautiful, 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 beautiful thing.
Now the lady that asked the question.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to get my fries together. This is my to-go meal. I'm getting my stuff together. What love looks like to me, it's just unconditional, and my thing with love is my children, because they love me regardless of anything. When I'm mean, when I'm sad, when I'm down, they love me. So that's what love looks like to me. That unconditional love.
But are you ready to be in love with a man?
So yes, I do want companionship. I want someone that's going to accept me and my children and my nieces. So yeah, I do want companionship one day.
Okay. Do you see yourself being married in the future? Do you see yourself being married in the future?
Well, marriage. I don't know. I don't want to say marriage. I kind of want a partnership. That's one of my questions too. Is another question I got to ask. I can go ahead and
explain that later then.
Ask the question.
I'm trying to remember how you pronounce the word. How do you feel about what is it? Polygamy?
I know what you're talking about.
No.
Bringing in somebody else?
Yeah. Well, no. It's not even the simple fact of bringing in somebody else. It's say
You in a relationship.
you in a relationship with one person, and you could be in a relationship with somebody
Yeah.
else. Well, for me,
No.
I wouldn't want the man to be poly. But I wouldn't. I feel like that I
So you could, okay, say for instance I'm a man, right? Rhonda is my wife. And I come pick you up as the other woman. You would be comfortable with that?
No. That's what I'm saying. For me to have, I would want to have two boyfriends.
Oh, you want two boyfriends?
Yeah.
But the two boyfriends got to be comfortable with it.
No, yeah, they have to be comfortable. We won't never have to come together, but when I get tired and I want to go.
But normally they live under the same roof.
Well, no, I don't want us to live on the same roof.
So you just want it with as, okay, me and Rhonda, your boy. So you want it as, I take you on a date Monday, Tuesday. You hang out with Rhonda Friday, Saturday.
Yeah.
Got it.
No, I'm not saying that I will. I mean, I'm okay with that. I
know, yeah.
Yeah, I would be okay with that.
But they would have to be okay with
Yeah,
it too.
the guy would have to be okay with that, yeah.
I'm not okay with that.
No,
No.
Because
No.
you can't go one way. You can't make yourself happy, then the other man not happy. Me, 'cause
So you
share.
don't want a husband. Like you're not ready for a husband.
I don't think right now, no, I think that's going to be, I think it's going to come to me. But I think right now, where I'm at in my life,
You just enjoying
yeah.
for the moment.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Enjoy life, because I enjoy life before my marriage, and I'm still going to enjoy life during and after my marriage. Now, not with that freaky stuff, like because she. No, I can't. I mean, I can't do it. But each his own. I don't knock it because I'm not God and I can't judge you. So hey, because we done had some conversations where we be like, what? But hey, we just keep it moving. That's what it is. How do you feel about it?
I already tell you.
Oh, what's another
I
question?
don't like to share.
I saw that earlier.
What is your dream vacation, and where do you like to go now for a peace of mind away from home? We started Ronnie's.
Oh, you know what? My dream vacation is to travel to Haiti, where my roots started. I want to go to Haiti and just see the different part, not the parts they show on TV where everybody running barefoot.
Just beautiful.
Yeah, I don't want to see that. I mean, I would go to that part just because I know I'm a loving, caring person. But that would be my dream vacation, to visit Haiti. And my peaceful place is, I can't say it's away from home because I'm a homebody. My peaceful place is like home, alone. I enjoy my peaceful, anybody know me, I enjoy my peace. I would sit in this house all by myself and have a time of my life by myself. Everybody know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
They know I'm a loner.
Me next.
Yep.
I don't know. I want to just travel the world, go all different kind of places, just to enjoy life. And my peace, like my sister says, home with my kids. They get on my nerves, but I know how to block them out.
But that ain't peace.
That is peace.
Where would you go
home?
Yeah, but they aggravate you.
No, but still,
When I
like
call
in
your
my
phone,
room.
when I call your phone, your turn answer like this in the thing. So, but what's your peace? So your room is your
Yeah, it's
peaceful
my
place.
peace. I shut my door. I let them know I don't want to be bothered, so they understand it.
Okay.
My dream vacation is Dubai. Just a little. It's a rich city. Look like for rich people. I'm a rich type of chick, you know.
She's the third member of City Girl.
Then I
Period. And my peaceful place outside of home, what I like to do, because I have 4 kids in my home, I like to, like, say on my lunch break, being I work from home, when I go eat, I go someplace like, say, Sonic, Bitty Banquet or something like that, and go eat without the kids and just in the car. Sometimes just
A car is a peaceful place, because there's been many days I drove home and sat in my car like for an hour to 2 hours. It just clears your mind, make you, you know. One time I was sitting in my car and a neighbor, he walked past and waved, and an hour later he came back and knocked on the window and asked if I was all right. I just be in the car. But yeah, that's a peaceful place. That was it, or?
And only the last one I had was, what is your favorite holiday?
Ooh. My favorite holiday is my birthday. I don't care. My birthday. I know people into. I like you know the other holidays, but my birthday is like that. Ooh, that's my favorite. That's my favorite. I gotta get myself together for that. Like I just want to enjoy my birthday because that's another year of life. And you know that's just a celebration of where I came from and where I'm at another age.
Mine's just my birthday and Thanksgiving. I like to eat.
Yeah, cause we are doing COVID right now, and her birthday is in March, so that's when Trump or whoever shut down everything.
And I was mad with everybody.
She was angry. we was getting angry.
Oh yeah.
I was mad with everybody.
I would text and say, "Is there something else you want to do at dinner?" She would say, "F you, F you," and ooh Lord, she was angry.
I sure was. 'Cause I was ready to go.
Okay.
Yeah, my birthday and Thanksgiving.
Mine is Christmas. It just a joyful time of the year, I think, for most of the world. Yeah, it just seemed happy, like a happy time. So yeah.
Okay. Well, we've answered some questions. We chitty chat with y'all. So now we're gonna do one more game. And my producer is just having a lovely time. Y'all want to meet her at the end. But so I'm gonna read a question. We got 3 cards, all of us. We got names on them. Like we got Sunday, Tasha, my name, or none. So basically, I'm just gonna read a question. I got some of these questions offline, and whichever you think the person is, you just hold up the card, and we just go from there. It's a out of the three of us, who is the peacemaker? Out of the three of us, who is the peacemaker? Out the three, yeah, I say Tasha, cause Sunday is a fire. She be on 10. She don't care. She nice, but Tasha is more understanding. She'll be like, well, Lisa, you know, or don't do that. But if I call her and say, Rhonda, can you believe? Help her. That's why her such and such. We don't care. Okay. Who is, this is a hard one. Who is the nicest? The nicest out of the three of us. The nicest.
I think me.
Yeah, I think Rhonda. Tasha, your mouth is loose.
Yeah, her mouth worse than mine.
Her mouth is loose.
You can say, hey, how you doing? Well, what that supposed to mean? Yeah, how you doing?
You see how Rhonda say, wait, and she say, and what that means. Sunday is the nicest. Who is the more, who is the social butterfly? Like, just talk to everybody. Yeah. You think Tasha more social than you?
Yeah.
I
don't talk to everybody. You see, I only got 2 friends.
No, we be social like you talk like people in the street.
Yeah, if they speak to me, but I don't talk to them.
Okay, well I'll change it to Tasha.
Tasha be more like
Why do you say Rhonda? Why do you say Sunday?
Because she is.
Yeah, I agree. She is.
No,
She
that's
is.
the twins.
She
Yeah.
is the twins too, but Jesus.
Twins know everybody.
Who out of the three of us, who is the cheapest?
Right?
Is the cheapest. I never see somebody go in. My God, I don't want to see.
Go in dollar store and want it for 50 cents.
She arguing people down. She is cheap. Who is the meanest out of all three of us? Okay, explain yourself. Why I say Tasha.
If you watching this video, y'all already
know.
know.
They know. Everybody know.
No, they don't know. Tasha, y'all sit there and follow up Tasha.
You can't say nothing.
Tasha, no. Tasha
Jimmy said it on his video.
Jimmy not here. This us. Tasha is.
Go look at the other video.
Tasha is ruthless. Hey, you out there? You know what I'm talking about. Who travels the most? Yeah, I got to go. I like to go. So yes. Who is the worst dancer out of the three of us? Girl, bye. Listen,
They would say that.
I
can pull out that video of Rhonda the other night.
I like to dance, and I know I don't know how to dance that good. But Tasha, she have a big butt. One day y'all will
don't
see
know
it.
what to do with
and
it.
she don't know. She would get in the middle of the floor and jump like somebody is in that 1, 2, 3. All thing she gotta do is.
No, that girl came over there. That girl that was behind me, that girl come give me props. The other girl come over there. So yeah,
Girl, that probably was after the club.
that was before the club.
that.
You ain't see the girl?
That was before the club.
That was doing the club.
No, you was right there.
No, that was actually doing the
She
club.
like your outfit.
No, she was like, girl, you did that.
We're gonna have
Yes.
to do a dance challenge.
Oh yeah, we and her is going to do a dance challenge because she swear that she can dance better than me.
I can't.
I can't dance now. I'm not going to say that because I can't. But yeah.
So
she
you
can't dance better than me.
you dance better than Sunday?
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't wait till this. I can't wait till
That's funny.
Okay. So who falls in love fast? tell the truth and shame the devil. She's a gangster today.
Oh, you know that's
I don't either. I don't know how many people I love. I can't.
Let me see.
girl, you a mover.
Michael Tyrone. Let me stop playing. I don't know these
Nah,
people.
ain't nobody that I love. Not no love.
Who cooks the most? Who cooks the most? She trying to peep at my paper. Who cooks the most? I know who I'ma see. Yes, she sure
Every
do.
video you look on Snapchat or Facebook.
If you are on Snapchat, you can follow her for her cooking channel. She cooks a lot. Who have
the day you come visit, the other day she ain't gonna cook.
who have the shortest patience? The shortest patience. Now I can agree.
Yeah, me too though.
Yeah, my patience is very, 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 very,
She's so good.
very, very short. I can't handle it. So those were the questions, you guys. We had a great time. We had burger and fries today.
Can I ask a
You
question?
want to say from where? I'm not about to put it in your mouth.
Oh!
Why would I do your mouth?
Yeah, the burger joint. Shout out to them.
Yes.
Their food is always fresh, just to say. But Sunday, you said you had a question?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the, huh?
The question is, will y'all invite somebody else in your room with like a threesome? Even though you married too.
Girl, bye.
I wouldn't want to do that.
I'm not going to do that.
Me neither. Just was trying to make it a little freaky at the end.
Oh, Lord, she is a freak. Sunday. Her name is Sunday. She's short like the Sundays. Put the strawberry on the top. But yeah, so we are done. And thank you for tuning in with Niecy Always Groovy and her crew. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Until next time.
And we out.
Before we go, I would like to introduce y'all to my producer. Because I have a remote, but it's not even working. No. And this is the producer. Okay, thank you, producer. So she will have to do the stop thing. So again, we are out until next time. So yeah, we are back, and my BFF Tashay, she actually just she been had her own business, but we wanted to say congratulations on opening your business. She's a business owner, and on behalf of that, I had a gift that my Sunday will be getting whenever she decided to get up from the table. Commercial break. Oh, Jesus.
You should have opened your gift too on here.
Oh, I can. You don't have to open it now. But that is a gift.
Oh, that's so
It's
nice.
like a
Thank
starter
you.
kit. And this is one of her gifts. It
Oh,
couldn't fit in the bag.
thank you.
But this is a start. If you run a tax business, you know you're going to need boxes of those.
Thank you.
Look.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Let me get the other gift that she gave.
Where's my gift? Oh, yeah, y'all. We just sitting here waiting till she come back. So, Tasha, did you enjoy your little first YouTube channel, you know?
Yes, I did have fun. I was looking forward to it.
It was just unexpected. I just pulled up and this, you know, I'm on the video.
the ending was supposed to be about her, but she bought me a gift and she wanted me to open it. So,
just like Nova. I mean, jacket.
and this gift is from Fashion Nova.
Okay. Billie Jean.
Right into my Billie Jean. Oh, this is cute.
That's so cute.
Just married.
Oh.
A leather jacket. Oh, this is so nice. I will have to try this on for y'all in another video, but at that time, again, we appreciate you and thank you for liking and subscribing. So make sure you hit the bell for notifications. Peace.